Welcome to my channel. My name is Silinthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them. Today we're going to stuff our savings challenges. Typically, I would really like to do my Freebie Fridays, but what I've decided to do is condense my savings challenges so they will be mixed between our shop and or freebies. However, I decide to work my magic over here. What I've decided to do is I'm going to scale back, and I don't know what my filming schedule will be, but I will not be filming every single day. So that's why you didn't see a couple videos from me this week. Let's see how this goes. So instead of splitting this money up and going, throughout the week, we're going to count up what we have here, and we're going to work on getting our savings challenges together. I am trying to get my letter books, and then once we complete some more savings challenges, I'll be able to combine my savings challenge binder. But let's start off by counting what we're stuffing today. We have 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, $44. All right, so I have $44, and I'm not certain this is still in frame, but what we can do first off is let's look for the all right, so to make this even, I need a D book. So I have $3 that I can try to switch for letter books. My D and my E books have to be the same amount because those are for my children. And so I'm just going to look through here really quickly, and I'm going to shush my face because, like I said in all my previous videos, if I'm speaking, I sound like a chipmunk. That was not a complete bust. I didn't have any letter books in that. Oh man, let's see. I should have the same amount of D and B bucks. 3, 3. Perfect. So we're going to cash stuff that there. All right. So, okay. So let's start with our letter books. I haven't been doing very well on these, but I'm also not in a rush, so there's that. All right, so first up we have ebooks for Ethan. These letterbook savings challenges are in our shop. All right, so ebooks I do have 2. All right, next up we have K-Books, which are for me, and I have 1. All right, next up are B-Books, and I believe we counted 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I could finish one of these quicker than the other if I would just focus on it, kind of like the E and the K. But I would hate for something to come up and I can't finish the savings challenge for any reason, and they both want their money. One would have more than the other. I would be pretty sad about it. I would be sad if it were me. So that's why I think it's really important to try to make sure they have the same amount. But I am hoping to give them these funds for their birthday to have a cash gift because they want an electronic gift. So I'm going to be working on that trying to figure out how I can make that happen for them. They like electronics. So, all right. So what we're going to do, we need change. We definitely need change. And we're going to spend so much of this video speeding through trying to find change, which we may or may not have. Be right back. Okay. So this is way more complicated than I anticipated. And that's not fun for me. What I need to do is make sure we have savings challenges in all of my envelopes so we can roll a 6-sided die, because like I said, I'm combining them. And so I started this savings challenge as a roll and save, but I think what I'm going to do is finish it out as $1. I don't know if I'm going to finish it, but I think that's what I'm going to focus on is $1. And I think we're just going to have to start it up, and then we will be able to, just kidding, 1 second, let's see here. All right, yes, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how about we do, really don't want to do, 6, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Okay, let's just get started. Okay, hopefully I can speed through so much of this. I'm not going to delete it because that's out of the question. But we'll put this $10 bill right there, and then we will try to make change once we get to the point where we are able to. And what we're going to do is we are going to roll the dice. I do want to let you know that all of these savings challenges are from SilynthiaC Budget Creations, or from one of us who have, either myself or Cassie J, made the savings challenges. Only one of them you won't find linked down below, and that is the Lucky You. But the rest of them you'll either find in the shop or as a freebie. So I've got to figure out how I'm working this moving forward. I like the idea of saying all of these saving challenges are freebies, but I may have to mark the envelopes or something. We'll figure it out. At this point, we're just going to go with the flow because we need to figure out what we're doing with our life. All right, so we have 6 savings challenges. We have our 6-sided dice, and we are going to get rolling with a 1. A 5, two, 6, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 6. All right, so what we've got to do now is find $10. So we are going to, let's see which one got quite a bit of money. Let's see. There's a 10 already in there. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we'll add it here. This is the March collaboration. And I do have these ladies linked usually on Sundays for you to take a look at the other channels to see who joined us in the collaboration. But this was the freebie for the month of March. There is a new freebie coming in April. So let's see here. We're adding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more dollars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And I bit off way more than I could chew trying to make this a roll and save. But I'm glad I decided to just go with $1 to try to get it done. But if it doesn't get completed today, I'm okay with that, you guys. All right, so we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting that way is so weird. Okay. All right, so since we've taken care of that, we've got some change. Let's see, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now we've got some ones. Oh my goodness, this video is a mess. I've got to get back. I'm a creature of habit. I like routines. Things being repetitive for me makes me feel like I'm in a safe space. And so when things aren't the way that they were yesterday and they've changed to today, it takes me a second to gather my thoughts and get things together. So once I get into the swing of things, it won't be this chaotic. Or hopefully it won't be this chaotic. I can't promise anything because sometimes I'm just a chaotic person. Let's continue. Number 5. Number 6. Number 5. I think we're going to call number 5 good because that is a roll and save. And we have 2, 4, 5, 6. I'm just going to do 3 and 3 there. So I'm going to call number 5 good. 5's done. Number 1. Let's see. How much do we need for number 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha! Number 1's done too. Did I say number 6? No, number 6 is here. Okay. Number 4. Perfect. Okay, now let's count it up. Let's see what we've got going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what we have for this savings challenge, which it does complete it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so this saving challenge, the white and gold marble, has saved me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. Yay! Love to see that. So the next savings challenge is getting $2, and this is the Lucky You savings challenge, which I made 1, 2, and I think, I don't know what I'm going to do about this. Let's see how many more savings challenges we have to complete, because if I can, I'm going to discard this one and move on to my next set of savings challenges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what I have so far. All right, so we've got $6. What's my red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're adding $6 to our Cheetah today. Oh. So now we have $10, $15, $16. This one's so pretty, but it's taken me a while because there's so many circles to work through, just like the Luck Savings Challenge, which we're adding $2 more to. Love to see it. 1, 2. So we need $4 more, and maybe, because I have a video coming on Sunday for my high priority. Hopefully we can get through this. Maybe we can work on that, because this savings challenge is so close to being completed, and we have $20, $30, $35, $36, $37 here. All right, so I completing this savings challenge, which is for our Christmas savings challenge. And this one I'm doing all year. 3 and 3. All right, so this savings challenge has saved me. Let's see here. Making a mess here. Let's see. All right, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. 19 big ones. So every time I save a little cash in these savings challenges, I'm just adding them to this binder, which is my savings challenge binder. And so once they're completed, I just add them here. Like I said before, I want to count them at the end of the year. So I'm not technically keeping track of the total. I can see, like if I want to know how much I saved in the month of March, I know I saved $19. And you can go back and see in my other videos what I saved on the other ones. But okay, perfect. Okay. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay, let's see. Okay. My bad. All right, we're adding $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 to our freebie savings challenge from SilynthiaC Budget Creations, and I hope I said 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. All right, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 doll hairs is what we have in this savings challenge. So I have a couple of savings challenges left in this binder that I need to work on. So I guess I'll leave my Lucky You in there and see how much further we can take, how much more we can take care of in the rest of these savings challenges next week. It will be next week because my filming schedule is going to be changing. I don't know exactly what days, but it will be changing. So yes, let's go ahead and we're just going to throw this money back here, and then I will work on cleaning off my savings challenge because the laminated ones from the shop, I do reuse them, so you can see them as well. So I still need to do a sinking funds cash stuffing, and hopefully we'll get to that very soon. All right, so we completed one savings challenge. Thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.